Okay, I'm Terry, and today's project is going to be building a box with a pair of view meters in it, VU meters. These are VU meters, and they give an indication of the amount of loudness produced from a recording studio or band mixer, anything like that. The kit includes a power board that will drive the VU meters, some cable, a power supply, and a hook up there for the power. And the first thing we're going to do is get the box. Once we get the box, we'll go from there. Okay, we finally got the box in the mail today, and I haven't really bench tested the entire system yet. Maybe we'll do that. The box, I've measured off the box, drilled some pilot holes where they're going to go. This is where the meters are going to go. I'm going to try and push them from the back through the front. It'll look really nice. In the meantime, I got to make these holes 1 1/4 inches around. Alright, now placing some of the parts. Let's see how it's going to go. Here's the driver board, and it's going to sit right in there just like that. The meters sit in there like that and like that. Alright, we got a switch that will go on the side. We got the two RCA jacks that will go in there, go on this side. I'm going to put everything on the side so that we don't have to plug stuff in from the back and take up that much room. So as soon as we get the holes drilled, we'll come back and we'll look at it again. Okay, it's not really finished yet, but I've mocked it up. I cut the holes for the meters. They're going to be mounted on the front, and I got some really nice hex nuts, black knurled hex nuts to go with it. I found some nice feet to put on it. Here's the adapters on the, the inputs on one side. Here's the switch. All I have to do is drill a hole to mount the power supply input. So it's pretty much come together now. Next thing we'll do is take it back apart and start putting it together. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I got a lot of work done today. Nice Sunday afternoon. The board is mounted, double-sided tape. Switch. Now, I forgot that I was going to turn it upside down. Okay, so the meters would be like this and have feet on the bottom. So I mounted the, actually mounted the DC input connector a little high. I wanted it down here, of course. And it was a lot of trouble to epoxy in. Finally, I'm secure with it being there and it's going to hold up. I had a problem with the screws. It's kind of hard to see, but I've got these nice knurled knobs, hex wrenches, and the body of the VU meter was too close. I was only able to get 2 nuts on screws. The rest of the screws are going to be cosmetic, glued in with Duco cement. So that's the story on the screws. I've already tested it. It actually works. So once all the glue dries, I'm going to put the feet on, put the top on, or the bottom, as the case may be, and then we'll watch it play. And there they are, working just like they should. I've got the output of an MP3 player plugged into the inputs. Got the power on, and they're vibrating just like they should. They're VUing all over the place. VU stands for volumetric units, and it's a measure of level of sound, and it's measured in decibels, dBs, and for every 1 dB higher, it's 4 times as much volume. So when you get up to 0 dB, well, it's pretty loud. Anyway, that's the end of this project. We got them on nice little feet. We got it all set up. Looks good. Nice black box. We're going to send it off and see what we get paid. This has been a really, really interesting project, putting these VU meters in this box. My name is Terry Decker. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thank you very much.